Hi coders, welcome to our channel. This is Let Me Code. So we're gonna see about the programming languages. Before enter into the programming languages, we need to know about the some of the basic stuff about the programming languages, right? So why we need and what are the use cases? Okay, let us see. If we go to the computer, then says computer add the two numbers or computer tell me the output of the above mathematical calculations. We can't say right because computer doesn't accept or understand our languages. So to keep instruct the computers, we use the programming languages as the intermediator, right? And we know computer only knows about the zeros and one. It is said to be a machine level language, right? So here the best play of the programming languages. Programming languages helps us to translate our language to the computer as a machine level languages, right? We all hear about that programming languages are categorized into two types, low level, high level. Yes. Here, programming languages are categorized as two types, low level and high level languages. Low level languages just refers to the machine level language and the assembly language, which is very close to the computer languages. Then high level languages means whatever the programming languages we using are said to be an high level languages. Example C, C++, Python, Java, then etc. Yes, entering into the programming languages before that we need to know and learn about the C languages because he is considered as a base of all the programming languages and it also said to be an mother of the languages, right? And it is very simple to understand, easy to use, and it also process program very faster. About C, it has inbuilt 32 keywords. Example, if else, then break, continue, etc. Then it accepts only an inbuilt data types. It does not accept the user defined data types. Then it can be used in both applications and technologies because it compiles the code faster and it is treated as a mother language. Right, hereafter we're going to see about behind the scenes. See you in next video.